Hey guys, Mike once again with another help video. I've been getting a lot of inquiries lately about crank but no start situations with your IDI. Now, kind of similar to my glow plug video, you only need a few properly working items on these trucks to get them to start and start reliably. You need your fuel delivery, airtight. You need enough fuel pressure. I don't even think you need very much. I think it's like less than 5 psi coming up to your injection pump, and she'll run. You need a properly working glow plug system. You need your fuel shutoff solenoid working properly, and air. I mean, it's couldn't be any simpler of a design. You got no sensors that'll keep it from starting. You got nothing weird like that. It's just fuel, compression, and air. And obviously, working glow plug system is pertinent to make it start easier, but you can even start them without. It's harder, but you can make them start without a working glow plug system. So, nevertheless, we'll get started here. You probably hear that noise over there. That's my electric lift pump. Factory, these came with a mechanical lift pump on the passenger side of the block here that will only start operating when you start cranking. This one I have hooked onto my glow plug relay, so as soon as I turn the key on, it starts running. But you need fuel delivery. So you take off this little Schrader valve here. Whether you have a 6.9 or 7.3, you'll have a Schrader valve unless it's been plugged. I've seen that occasionally where someone's plugged it because that started leaking. But this little Schrader valve here, you need airtight fuel delivery. You don't want any air inside your fuel delivery. I'll hit the Schrader valve here and you'll see fuel squirt out. See the fuel squirt out? You don't hear any air? It means I have airtight fuel delivery. If you have air in your fuel system, you have air coming out of there, it's going to make it much more difficult to start. The next thing to check, if you can crank it but you can't start it, is make sure your fuel shutoff solenoid is working properly. This is really simple because this terminal here, you'll hear with the key on, you'll hear a very distinctive click sound. When I pull this terminal off and put it back on, hear that click? Hear it click? It means my fuel shutoff solenoid is working. If this is not clicking, it's not working, you won't have delivery through your injection pump, and you will not be able to start the truck. So, that's working. I got fuel delivery. I know my glow plug system is working on this. So, I'm going to go to my other truck real quick and show you how it can be much more difficult to start. If you just try to start it without, I'll kind of do a test. I'll try to start it without cycling the glow plug system fully, and you'll see how that'll make it much more difficult to start as well. Alright, here we are at my other truck, and you'll notice it can be hard to start. I'm basically going to mimic like my glow plugs haven't been cycled at all, and you'll see it's even on a warm day such as today, it's like 40, 50 degrees out, maybe even warmer, it's probably closer to 60, that it won't start right away. So, there's my wait to start light. I'm trying to start it. It doesn't want to start. Let my glow plug system cycle. Now I'll try to start it. Starts right up. So, you can see how properly working glow plug system is pertinent. They having it start easier. Need airtight fuel delivery. You obviously need good compression, air. Need to have a properly working starter. You can distinctively hear if your starter is not cranking over properly. And there's other help videos online of a bad starter versus a good starter. Trying to think what else. You need good batteries. Check your voltage on your batteries. Make sure batteries are healthy. But that's pretty much all there is to it. If you got airtight fuel delivery, a properly working glow plug system, you'll notice that when my glow plug light turned off, it didn't keep flickering. It completed its cycle, then the light turned off. That if you turn your key on and your glow plug controller is clicking on and off, means probably got some bad glow plugs or a bad relay. because you got too much resistance, and you can go to one of my previous videos regarding glow plugs. I'm not going to rehash all that here, and that's, like I said, that's pretty much all there is to it. If you got a crank and no start situation, you have one of the aforementioned issues, and if you go through everything, last but not least, I do a compression test. If nothing else works. Hopefully that helps, and if you have, I guess, any other questions, go ahead and drop a comment, and I'll try to get back to you in a timely manner. Alright.